Welcome back to JordiNic Creations. This channel is about makeup and skincare related stuff with a little bit of Planet Zoo and Sims videos here and there because I have a Twitch channel now. As you could tell, this video is Elsa. It's an Elsa makeup look for Halloween. If you want to be Elsa for Halloween, then continue watching this video. This is the first time that I've done this Elsa look for YouTube. I've done it twice before. Once was just for fun, and another was actually for Halloween a few years ago. But if you wanna see how I did this look, then stay tuned. Like this video, comment, and subscribe to this channel to see what I get into. Let's dive right in. Oh, excuse me, sorry. I already primed everything. Put the lipstick on for Elsa. So Elsa has like a darker, like pink eyeshadow look in the movies. So that's what we are going to do. But I'm going to put a little bit of the Porsche Gold from the Friends palette right here in like the corner a bit, right here. Just tapping it with my finger. And then put it in the corner of the other. Okay, I got my brushes. We're going to get into the pinks. We're going to start out with a more like vibrant pink, which would be this Love Machine right here, the Friends palette, using a flat brush. Yeah, this palette is just very crumbly. Wait, where are we putting it? Oh, yeah, we're putting it right in the corner, like right, try to put it basically above where you put the gold. I'm applying it kind of like I would do a graphic liner, I guess. Next up is the color. Okay, sorry, I thought I was gonna sneeze. Okay, so we're gonna go and dip into the Friends palette again with the big opening. I don't really think this would really matter what brush you use. I don't know. You don't have to use the same brushes I'm using. I don't use these brushes for what they're actually pretty much supposed to be used for. Gonna put it in the right there. Okay. And now we're gonna blend the pink a little bit. So need to wash my brushes. Just kind of blend it gently, very light hand. So you don't want to get the pink to get too far into the where you put the champagne, or you don't want to get it into the gold. But we're gonna put more gold and probably more champagne later. Okay, it's not 100% blended, but it'll be okay. So we're going in with other colors. Okay, put the Friends palette down. If you don't have any of these palettes, improvise. That's what I do. Okay, and then before we add any more colors, We're gonna go in with some concealer. Do a bit of a, and yeah, it's kind of a cut crease. I don't even know how to, never really, yeah. Okay. Actually, I have a clean brush this time. I'm actually just taking it right off the applicator, because this applicator is humongous. And I'm just gonna, yeah, I don't know why I decided to do the gold when I'm just covering it up, but hey, whatever. I'm not used to being this close to the camera. Well, the camera zoomed in this much. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the color. We're gonna go in with, now we're going in with this nice shiny color, this sparkly color. And put it right over, get a nice generous amount. Put it over the concealer. Of course, since you have eyeshadow on, you put concealer over eyeshadow. You don't actually want to like really blend it, just kind of like dab it and just let it sit. Okay. Grab a little more. Get some in the corners. This Glam. And then swipe it. Okay. For a second I didn't think I was dipping into Glam. Windshield wiper, windshield wiper, windshield wiper, windshield wiper. And grab a little, just a smidge bit of the apartment. I'm just using the same brush I used for the purple, or the pink. And I'm just basically acting like I am drawing it upward. And then do that work. There we go. That side a little different, but hey, it works, okay? If it works for you, do it anyway how it works. You don't only have to use these colors. You're not restricted. Makeup is free. It's not free, it's really no rules. My camera stopped recording, but this is the final look. I can't sing. Since my camera stopped recording, I just finished off the look. So I wouldn't take up all y'all's time. Elsa! I'm Elsa. I even got the costume on. Yeah! Yep, so that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Next video is going to be the gore part of this Elsa look. I'm excited because I never did it for YouTube yet. A little nervous and a little excited. So, yeah. So, like this video, comment, and subscribe to this channel so you can see whatever crazy looks I do, normal or SFX. So, I'm gonna swim out. Have a mertastic day.